I'm Raven.
And I'm Farinir. And we're in Disneyland.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You excited?
I'm incredibly excited.
You tired?
I'm knackered, but it's worth it. The hot chocolate's working as well. We have just had the best 5 days of our lives. It has been fantastic from start to finish. We're just wrapping up now, just about to go grab our luggage and head out. Unfortunately, we'd rather stay forever.
I don't want to leave.
But
It's been so fun.
It has been the best time, but baby, it's time we head home. But we just wanted to check in real quick first and give you a little rundown of what we've been up to since we've been here. So, as you might be able to tell, we are in Cowboy Land. We're in the Cheyenne Hotel, where everything is Woody themed.
It's so cute.
It's amazing. This hotel is so stunning. Like, it looks like you're in the Wild West.
It's so much bigger than I thought it'd be as well. I thought it'd be like a couple of buildings, but it's like a whole town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a whole
huge.
town.
And there's horses.
Everything is themed. You've got ponies you can pet and ride. It's brilliant. I'm so glad we picked this one to stay in. They've got loads of choices, but we saw this one and we're like, that's the one. It's got to be.
This is so freaking cute. Look at the little lights. Oh, and the little horseshoe mirror. That's so cute. Little horseshoe. Get a little coffee machine. This is so cute. It's nice and bright. Colourful baths. Oh, we get even little themed soaps. This is the best thing ever. Oh my god. What's this? And you get a little postcard. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Even like the texture on the walls and the trim. Do you want Woody wallpaper now for our bedroom? I love this. I love this little like sofa bit. That looks so comfy. That would work fine in our house actually, having something like that. That really will work. Oh my god. What's the little view like? Let's go this way. Oh, that's so cute. Adorable. And it's a good price as well.
It was a good price. Absolute bargain. We've been here for 4 nights, was it? And it
4 nights,
and it didn't
5
cost
days.
us a fortune, I'll say that much. So yeah, really happy with that. How many rides did we go on? I've lost count. What was your favourite ride?
My favourite ride is Pirates of the Caribbean, but I've been to Disneyland before. I haven't been for like 10 years, but my favourite then was Pirates, and it still is now. Like it can't be beat. It is the best one, 100%, 100%.
It's my first time coming here, and I think it's been my favourite too. We went on it 4 times in the end. We literally just came off it 5 minutes ago because we had to squeeze one more in before we went home.
Yeah.
And I have no regrets. It was so good.
It's so fun.
Yep. I also love the Buzz Lightyear laser tag thing. That was really good.
I hadn't done that on before. It'd been here, I just like missed it before. And that's really fun. You go around like a little track and you've got a little like laser gun, don't you? And you've got to like shoot all these targets
and you can spin the car around. That's loads of fun. You can really spin yourself out doing that and really like sabotage your partner, which was hilarious. So yeah, that was a good time. What else did we do?
Small World.
It's a Small World. We did that twice. Started and almost ended our weekend with that. It's a great introduction as a first ride here because it really sets the tone for what you've got
I was
coming
going
up.
to say, it sets the tone for the next coming days of what Disney is and just how mad everything is.
For sure. I still get that smell of chlorine up my nose.
It is.
It's brilliant.
You begin to wonder like halfway around, like, is this happening or is the chlorine just like seeping in?
It's like one big
so
acid
strong.
trip. It's crazy. It's so good. What else did we do?
Excited to check out Route 66 with you. Route 66? She is full of the crazy beautiful things. toutes les 5 minutes. What? The canyon has an aftershock every few minutes? Oui, that's...
We queued for an hour to go on Peter Pan's flying something.
When we got there, it said 35-minute queue, and then it jumped to 45 when we were halfway around, and then we didn't get in for like an hour.
It was horrendous.
And it lasts like a minute and a half.
Yeah, 2 minutes tops. It was cute. It was cute.
It is
but
cute.
it's not worth queuing an hour
No.
for.
At least now you've done it once. You haven't got to do it next time.
Like the
You
entire
know.
time we've been here, the queue time has been a good 45 minutes minimum.
It's never dropped below 35.
No, just don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Pinocchio, pretty lame.
It looks like one of the original rides here, and that they've never updated it, because it literally looks like something like
Yeah.
it's so old.
It's nice to tick off the list when you know you've got
I
some
think
time
it's
to kill,
good
but
for little kids, but
yeah, it's good for little kids for sure. What's the other one we really liked? Oh, Phantom Manor.
how do we forget?
How do we forget
Phantom
that?
Manor?
We did that 3 times. That was brilliant. Absolutely loved that. Do that another 5 times if I could.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's the thing. Like some of them, you just want to go around like again and again. And like with the ones that have the scenes around them, you see something new every time. I think this is my 4th or 5th time coming to Disney, and I still see new things on the rides every time.
Yep.
Like the dog singing on Pirates of the Caribbean earlier. I hadn't seen that before. I was like, oh my god, he's singing the song.
There's so many little
So
details
cute.
you just catch each time you do it. It's fantastic. Big fan of that. Any other rides? What was that about?
They're like the big main ones.
They're the
that
main
we've-
ones. We went on
we've
some other
loved.
smaller. Dumbo, that was cute.
It's cute. It's quite short, but it is
2 minutes
cute.
of fun flying up and down.
It's
on an
nice to
elephant.
see like the view from high up as well.
Yeah.
And to go up the castle as well.
Yeah.
You liked that.
Climbed Sleeping Beauty's castle. That was gorgeous.
And go to the
really
Dragon
stunning
Blue.
in there. Yep. That whole thing was gorgeous. It's just so iconic, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, you've got to do that while you're here. The fireworks show.
That was amazing.
brilliant.
So like last time, I came here 10 years ago, and they just had the fireworks show, but now they have little like drones, don't they? Little light drone shows, which is very impressive.
And they project all these film scenes over the castle.
Yeah,
Stunning.
yeah, they
Really
had that.
cool.
They had that with the fireworks, but they didn't have all the drones. It
Yeah,
was
the drone
real
show
cool.
first was really nice. Big fan of it. So yeah, that was great. I'm trying to work my way around it in my head now to see if there's anything glaringly obvious we've missed. But I think that's about it.
I think they're the main ones. We didn't manage to get on Big Thunder. We were going to, but the queues for that were really bad all weekend.
Yeah, next
We
time.
did the new Ratatouille ride. We both loved that.
That was it. That was the other one.
That was really
cool.
fun.
Yeah, they put you in this really slick little car that spins you around all these scenes.
A car that's shaped like a rat.
A car that's shaped like a rat.
Not just a car, a rat-shaped car.
And they put you in front of these like giant IMAX screens that project film scenes, and they
bet
like
that's
put you
so
in them. It really
expensive
feels like
to
you're
run.
there. It's really cool.
I bet it's really expensive
Oh,
to
yeah.
run.
I'm
Because
not
those
sure how
screens
much
are
they
like
pay on
proper.
energy in this place.
I know. I'd love to know what it
Terrifying.
is.
But that has just reminded me of the other 2 rides. Obviously, you didn't think of them because you didn't do
Oh,
them.
yes, of
But
course.
I went on the Star Tours ride. Brilliant. If you're a Star Wars fan, absolutely amazing. They put you in this like massive 4D cinema experience, and you go flying through all these space chases and all this stuff, and a crash, and you feel it all because your whole chair's shaking. It's brilliant. The cool thing is though, they have different scenes. So the second time I did it, it was totally different to the first time, and I didn't know that was going to happen. I was amazed. It was so cool. Way better the second time. It turned
It's
out.
really fun, except you have to wear 3D glasses, and my eyes don't work with 3D glasses. So I've tried it, and it's like watching two motion sick images that don't quite overlap, and it just doesn't work.
That's a shame.
But it is really fun.
Yeah.
It is good.
The other one we did that was similar was the Spider-Man web something, I can't remember what it was called. But that's similar, it puts you in these 3D glasses and they put you in this car that whizzes around all these screens and you have to actually shoot all these spider bots. And you've actually got to do this, like as if you're Spider-Man.
Yeah, it tracks
really
your arms,
fun.
doesn't it?
Yeah, really
That's
accurately as well.
really cool.
But by the last round, there's like thousands of them on screen, so you don't even have to aim, you're just there, like just going nuts. And I had arm ache.
I don't even know how they like track, because you're with multiple people as
Yeah,
well.
it's
So it's not even like one person.
Yeah,
it's
and they
like
score you
multiple
each individually as well.
That's
So
real
it's
cool.
really clever. So that was great.
Did you get the best score?
I
Out of your
did.
little-
I must say I took great pride in annihilating the 3 children I was in a carriage with. So that was fun. One of them was a little girl and she almost beat me at one point. Like the third round, she was a few points ahead, but I pulled it back. Won it by 2,000 points.
I bet she was fuming.
She was. She looked really mad. Actually.
She looked at you like-
She was laughing at the other two, and then she looked at my score and she's like, But I was proud. That's the main thing.
She'll come back when she's an adult now and beat you.
Yeah, I
When
wouldn't
you're a
be
little old
surprised.
man with your slow arms
Yeah,
going.
I can't do it. Got arthritis in my arms. So that was really good. I think that was all of the rides. Our next favourite part of the whole weekend was food.
Oh my god.
We have eaten like kings and queens this weekend.
We've eaten so much food. I thought it was going to be really expensive, and some of the meal options are expensive, obviously because it's Disneyland, but like the general food options are surprisingly reasonable for where we are. Like I thought they were going to be bad just everywhere. I was
did too.
expecting to spend like 30, 25 euros per meal. But you can get things for like 5 to 7 euros
Yeah.
in a lot of places, which is still quite filling. Like that pancake I had was huge,
Yeah.
and that was like 7 euros.
That's it.
All good.
They've got a great range. They've got little quick snack boxes you can grab from, like loads of stalls you can grab food from. They've got like small fast food restaurants that you can get in and out quite quickly.
Yeah.
And they've got full proper restaurants that you can reserve and have a full set meal with. And the range of prices is really fair across all the range. And it's just really good food as well. Everything I had was so delicious. I had this wonderful curry that I went back for twice.
And the pasta you went back for twice.
Yeah, Stark Factory, you get the pasta bowl in there. The bolognese is amazing.
Raw good.
Yeah, and they had this lovely chocolate mousse ice the cream thing. It was brilliant. I
Yeah,
love
that was
those.
really nice.
Really tasty.
I wasn't sure what else was in it. It was like caramel or
Yeah,
something, but it was
something.
real nice.
Really, really nice.
My favourite was the rainforest burgers,
Oh, yeah.
which was like the first meal of the weekend. We really set the bar high with
we
that.
went big.
But I also had the spooky burger in the cinema place.
Yeah.
That was also real nice.
That was good. Mine was nice as well. But yeah, the Rainforest Cafe was like the best burger I've ever had.
I think it's the best burger I've
Like,
had.
top two.
Did
It's
you
got
just,
one contender.
Go again. What time?
We do have a train to catch, unfortunately. But
And
no,
I
it was
had
perfect.
the Jafar macaroon.
Oh, yeah,
that
that's
was
cute.
real tasty. It had like raspberry filling in it. That was real nice.
Yeah, it's Halloween time at the moment, so everything's dressed in pumpkins, and they've got loads of special snacks to celebrate. It's brilliant. We've timed it really well.
Yeah,
So-
I've really liked coming at Halloween.
Yeah.
I was thinking like before I've come in spring and summer, and I don't know that they've had like special decorations. I mean, I did come like 10 years ago, so maybe it's like
Yeah.
they make more of an effort now, because in America they always do it. But I don't know, it's real nice coming
nice.
at Halloween, yeah.
So next time we're going to try and come at Christmas.
Yay! We're aiming for 26, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Christmas.
Let's start saving up and do it all over again.
I wish we
Brilliant.
could come every year, but
If only.
like saying that the prices were reasonable, when you add it all together, it's a little bit. And
That's
after we've
it.
just bought a house, maybe we'll
Yeah, we've got to start saving again.
just delay it a little bit.
Definitely, yeah. But no, it's been really good. I've had the best holiday I've ever had.
Oh,
Really have.
that makes
It's
me
been
so
perfect.
happy.
Thank you. No, it's been perfect. So we're about wrapping up here now. Now we're going to go to Paris for 5 days.
Yeah, my feet are aching already. We've done between 16 to 22,000 steps every day.
Every day.
What are we on now?
We are currently on 22,300. Today's been a big day. So yes, we're going to go and have 5 days of bliss in Paris. Going to see all the tourist hotspots because I've never been, so we're going to start ticking all those off.
Again, I've been to France a lot of times, been Paris a lot of times. So I've done all like the big touristy things. With you, it's like all new, isn't it?
It's nice. You get to be tour guide this time. You're the party leader. Normally it's me that's like, we're going here, 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 and you follow me, and we'll get it done. But this time I get to sit back and relax. It's quite nice.
Well, you don't know. My navigating,
Maybe I'll have to help you with some maps.
I think you'll still be the one on maps for sure.
But no, it's been a good time. I can't wait. So, yeah.
Same time, 2 years?
Same time, 2 years. Oh, and we can show you all the lovely little trinkets we've bought as well.
Yeah, we'll have to do like a little unboxing.
A little unboxing. We've bought so many little gifts for ourselves and other people. Of
Yeah.
course. We've been very generous, I think, to some other people.
You have.
We've got loads of goodies for
Very
people.
good.
Yeah.
That's the thing, like, the merchandise here wasn't terrible. Like, obviously there are things that are really expensive. So you can get like figures and like things of like made out of glass and have a lot of crystals in them. Like obviously they are very expensive, but they have like cups, mugs, like glasses, bowls, you know, all those kind of things. Little key rings and magnets and all that sort of stuff. And they're all like reasonable.
And even the little glass figures we found in that one shop
They
were
weren't
quite good.
too
They were
bad.
like
Yeah, there was one that was
€25
quite
tops.
good. Yeah.
They were really
They
good.
were quite small, but they were cute, weren't they?
They were really nice. So yeah, I'm well impressed with the amount of merchandise available and the prices, because I thought we were going to get scammed for every penny, honestly. I was quite cynical coming in. But,
Yeah.
No, I've been
I remember
pleasantly
you were a bit
surprised.
worried, weren't you?
Yeah, we've bought loads and haven't spent as much as I thought, which is nice.
Which means we can spend more in Paris.
More in Paris, yes.
Or save it for next time.
Exactly. But for now, we're going to go collect our luggage and head off to Paris. So we'll catch you in the next video.
Thank you.
See you later. Bye.